Good afternoon to my all CBSE board class 10 students. Today I am going to discuss about chemical reactions, reactants, products and characteristics of chemical changes. So first of all, I am going to give you the definition of chemical reactions. So let us take one example. So here we are seeing one example. In the left hand side we can see two substances, and on the right hand side we can see two substances. So these two substances are mixing together, and as a result they form these two new substances. So from the above example we can say chemical reaction is a process in which one or more than one substances are involved and mixing together, and as a result we can get two new substances. Next, reactants. What are reactants? So in a chemical reaction, when one or more than one substances are involved in chemical reactions, they are called reactants. And what are products? In a chemical equation, when one or more than one substances are formed, they are called products. Next I am going to discuss characteristics of chemical changes. In some chemical changes, we see the formation of precipitate. Again I am taking this example. Here we can see the formation of lead iodide, and this iodide is solid in nature and yellow in color. So this lead iodide is called precipitate. Next, in chemical reactions we can observe the color change. Again I am going to give you one example. We can take the example of silver anklet. So after using, we can see the color change of silver anklet because silver anklet contains silver metal, and this silver metal reacts with the hydrogen sulfide gas which is present in air, and as a result of their reactions silver sulfide forms. So that's why silver anklet turns from whitish to blackish color. Third characteristics. In some chemical reactions are accompanied by the change in physical state of the substance. If I burn one magnesium ribbon on the Bunsen burner, then white powder of magnesium oxide is formed. In this reaction, magnesium changes from solid state to powder form, and oxygen changes from gaseous state to solid state. Next, in some chemical reactions, temperature also changes. That is, some chemical changes are exothermic in nature. If we are taking the reaction between calcium oxide and water, then we will see the formation of calcium hydroxide and some amount of heat. Next, in some chemical changes, gas also evolved. In chemical reaction between zinc granules and dilute sulfuric acid, hydrogen gas is evolved. So students, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.